Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Mary here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fake a natural hair silk press. I'm not scheduled to go to the salon and get my hair silk pressed again until the end of the year, maybe even the start of next year. If you all have been following my salon series on my channel, you all know that I've been getting my hair trimmed every 3 months, but I decided not to get my hair silk pressed every time that I get a trim because I do not want to damage my ends. But if you're somebody like me that's been itching for a silk press, you all know I'm the queen of alternatives, and I have a great natural hair silk press alternative for you guys in the form of a wig. The unit that I'm going to show you all today is by XrsBeauty. This is their new clear lace and clean hairline undetectable HD Yaki straight 13x16 lace frontal wig, and y'all, it's so stunning. It already comes with the hairline pre-plucked as well as the knots already bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that. And I like that it also comes with a detachable elastic band, and I'm showing you all how to put that on now. After doing so, I'm going to try the unit on, and I'm not going to put on a stocking cap this time because what I found is with this type of lace, although it is amazing and it looks so realistic, it is rather thin, so you'd have to actually do the ball cap method, or either you can go without. Now, we'll show you all in a moment what it looks like with a stocking cap under, but without, it looks really, really good. And because of the color of this lace, I don't even have to tint the lace at all. I mean, look at how natural that looks. Y'all can't tell me that doesn't look natural. This looks like it grew out of my scalp. It's crazy how good this looks. And I did also get this unit in length 16, which is my goal length or longer, so it looks very natural in that way. And the texture, I always recommend Yaki straight if you're going for a texture that's going to match your natural texture. Now, I did notice that the baby hairs that I created with my hair when I did my original style, they were peeking out, so I need to brush those back. But before doing so, I like to add dry shampoo to my edges just so that I'm not causing any damage. So I'm going to apply that and then brush those back. So really quickly, before we get into the install, I want to show you guys the difference between a regular unit and the clear undetectable lace unit that I showed you guys previously. This one has brown lace and the hairline has not been pre-plucked. This unit also didn't come with the knots already pre-bleached. As you can observe from the unit side by side, the clear lace unit looks much more realistic than the other one. So now I'm going to show you guys a new gadget that I recently purchased on Amazon. It's the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I bought it because I wanted to do some really nice, large, chunky, bouncy curls, and I thought it would be the perfect device in order to achieve those with. And really quickly, I'm showing you guys what this unit looks like. If you do decide to put a stocking cap under, you will be able to see it through the lace. So I wouldn't recommend a stocking cap unless you're going to do the ball cap. Nevertheless, getting back to the dryer. Now, when I tried this out, I was quite disappointed that I wasn't able to achieve the curls, but it does help when you're trying to get out the little crimps that are in your units from packaging. So you don't actually have to go about the process of flat ironing your units in order to get that out. This is an easy one-step process in order to do that. Now, I'll probably have to try this out on curly hair. Maybe it'll work out better like that, but I did like it. It just didn't create the curls I desired. So at this point, I decided to stop trying to curl the hair and just work on smoothing it out. And it did a very good job in smoothing the hair. And if you're someone who has curly hair and you want to easily straighten your hair, this is supposed to be good for that as well. I haven't tried that, but I probably will in the future. Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Future's bright. Count your blessings. Don't let it slip away now. Yeah. It's easy when you know how. Yeah. Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Future's bright. Count your blessings. being a little lazy with my natural hair prep this time. My hair was already in a ponytail, so I decided to leave it in a ponytail. I just tried to flatten it out a little bit in the back, and then I'm going to put the unit back on. Be careful with the combs. You could just cut them off on the inside. That would help so it doesn't damage your hair. So pulling the unit back forward, I'm going to cut the lace off, and then I'll come back on.
Forward, star constellation. You know I'm shining brighter. Still got that motivation. I look to you, you show me that trust. It's not a win-less. We both are moving up, yeah. Living like legends, keeping it fresh. Got a good feeling, gonna make it last.
This looks so good even before actually securing it down. This lace is going to melt so nicely into the skin. I cannot wait. Now, I am trying a new adhesive today. I'm going to be trying the Ebony New York Wander Lace Bond Extra Mega Hold Spray. And this is supposed to be very good for laying your unit down. I did see on Lauriesia Andrea's channel how she shared that this spray is actually sweat proof. Now, I'm not certain that I had a sweat proof experience, but I will say that this is really good for securing your units down. It does require that you actually allow for it to get tacky after you spray it on. So you want to blow dry on the cool setting for about 30 seconds and then place your lace down, and it dries pretty fast, which is really great. After laying my lace down, I like to press into the lace with the back of my rat tail comb, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'd like to do one section at a time and continue this process until I've completed my entire hairline.
Count your blessings, oh, living my life, living my life, living my life. Count your blessings, baby. When I was feeling down, and nobody could see that I was worth the crown. But now I'm on my grind, you're wasting all my time. Future's looking bright, cause I ain't on the side.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons, future's bright. Don't let it slip away now. Don't let it slip away now.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons, future's bright. Don't let it slip away now. Don't let it slip away now. Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons, future's bright. Count your blessings, don't let it slip away now. Count your blessings, it's easy when you know how. Living like legends, keeping it fresh. Got a good feeling, gotta make it last.
On the left side, I do want to mention that I don't generally show that side, so I just place that one down. I don't perfect that side in any way, but if you're somebody who wants to show both sides, then work to make sure that it looks seamless. Now, at this point, I love the way the install is looking, but you want to ensure that you look at the start of the lace to ensure that there aren't any areas that are lifting, and I did notice that there were some areas that were, so I did decide to add more. You will actually have to clean up around the lace if you have to go back and add more, and this is where not wearing makeup would actually come in handy prior to putting on your unit, but I already had makeup on, so I had to just make it work. So I'm just going to spray more, and then I'm going to use some witch hazel in order to clean up the area, but alcohol would have been better. I didn't have any though. How is this not my hair? The lace looks flawless. The texture is amazing. I decided I did want to put a little bump on the ends of the hair, so I'm going to do that and then I'm going to be finished. But it looks so great. And these are the finished results.
Come on, show me how we do now, baby. Tell me what you got to lose now on it. You got it. Hey, you want it, yeah. No. Feel that rhythm, feel the groove now, baby. Don't you wanna break the rules now, honey?
Right now, I'm going to let you all hear a little bit of the commentary from Gerard, my husband. He came home for lunch and he saw my hair, and this is what he had to say.
You look great. Love you too, baby. You glad your package came. You look like a little Scooby snack.
He said I look like a little Scooby snack. He's so funny. All right, y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I'm so impressed with how well this clear HG lace turned out. It looks so great. It looks like it's actually my hair. It's very thin. I didn't have to do any work to it. I feel like this is a no work needed unit. I didn't have to tint the lace, pluck the hairline or anything, and this texture is so beautiful. Now, in regards to the Mega Hold Ebon Lace Bond Spray, I will say that this is a really great adhesive to use. For me, it's comparable to the bedhead spray. I did see in Laurieja's video that she used the red and the yellow spray. I just wanted to try one. Share your feedback down below. Have you all tried the Mega Hold spray? What was your experience? Share that down below. I look forward to your comments and feedback down below. Let me know what you all think about this lace. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video with a friend. Check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Everybody wants to be the best in town. I'm just trying to be the best me around. I'm just gonna love myself, 'cause there's nobody like me. There's only so much I can do now, baby, but I ain't got much left to